Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will find and feel fresh. In today's lecture, I will show you how can you use fillet inside what's chamfer and a lot of linear patterns longs. We must know about the circular pattern and how can you use rib, draft, shell, and mirror. Okay, and we will talk about something inside the reference geometry and curves. Okay, so let me start it right now. For example, let me select a plane, make it normal, draw a rectangle. Okay, extrude it both ways, and let me extrude it up to 40. Check it in isometric. This is right now. Let me fill it. Let's suppose this surface, but the dimension is 10. Let me give it 5, and now let's check it right now. This is how you can use the fillet. Right now I'm going to show you how can use chamfer. Select the chamfer, select this face, and here full preview. Make sure this is checked, and if you check the now previews, you will never see. Right now flip direction. Now this is 10, so make sure you can change it from here as well, 5. So I hope you understand how can you use chamfer and fillet. And right now I'm going to show you how can you use the rib command. Review almost we use in between the two flat surfaces by connecting them together to be stronger. Let me draw a line. Okay, select both and make them perpendicular. Let me extrude them. Check it. Let me extrude them up to 30, and okay. Again check okay. Check them in isometric. This is okay. Right now, sorry, I'm going to choose a plane and follow me right now. So a plane that is should be in between this one and this one. Okay, so a plane will be directly generated in between these two surfaces, as you can see actually from here as well. Now right now I'm going to draw something at make it normal and draw from here up to the mid of this point. Exit sketch, come to rib. Okay, you can use this one. Assign the dimension, the thickness of the rib, 5. Lift material side, sorry, flip material side. Please select a body on which you want to create a rib. Okay, let me change the view. Right now, okay, and come to rib, flip material side. Sorry, I have done a mistake. That is what actually, that is actually the this must be closed. Okay, this must be closed. Okay, sketch and exit. Let me change the profile. Come to features, come to rib, sorry, sketch exit, come to rib. Okay, delete. Let me draw. Draw a line from here up to here. Okay, rib, flip material side, select body. Okay, it doesn't works. Let me try it again. Okay, so I have made a plane, and between these two surfaces, one is this surface and one is the opposite one. Right now what I have to do, just select this one, and make it okay. So it will does works actually. So I hope you understand how can you make a rib in between the two perpendicular surfaces. Right now let me hide the whole part right now, and let me show. Sketch on it, control plus add, and make something like, you can make a circle, extrude it up to 50. Okay, now just take it into isometric view. Okay, alright, now what I'm going is actually the draft degree is okay, degree is 10 degree, natural plane is this one, face is to draft, I have select the face. Okay, or let me clear one thing. This the draft that is here, you can use it actually from here as well. Let me show how. Let's suppose I am going to draw a rectangle. Whenever you are going to extrude it, so that time you must see over here that the draft command is over here. So here you should assign the angle, so from here you can do. Okay, right now what I am going to show you is actually I've extruded this one and in an isometric view, and let me shell. I'm going to shell this surface, but the wall thickness is really, or show preview. Let me show. Okay, so this is how you can do shell, and my main purpose is to build up your concepts. Otherwise you can use it by yourself, and this is not really a big task for you people. Let me end references. Sometimes you need a plane to insert, sometimes you need an axis, sometimes you need point. Okay, whatever you can insert from the reference geometry. Like right now what I have to do, I am going to, let me choose a plane, front plane, sorry, and make it normal, and helix and spiral. Sorry, let me draw a circle, assign the dimension 100. Okay, now come to feature and come to helix and spiral. Just from here you can do each and everything related to the spiral. Here you can define the pitch and revolution, height and revolution, height. And right now I am selecting the pitch and revolution, constant pitch. Okay, and pitch is, you already know the pitch, the distance in between the two threads is actually the pitch, and I'm going to keep that 20. Reverse direction, but I'm not going to reverse the direction. Revolution must be 20. Okay, and start angle and counterclockwise or clockwise, that depends on you. Okay, taper helix. Okay, so in taper helix I will show you how can you make the screws inshallah in upcoming videos. So right now this is how. And now I am going to choose a plane, and the first reference is this point, and the second reference is the helix. Now sorry, okay, now once here it is fully defined, so it's mean you can go onward. Right now just press Ctrl plus 8, again Ctrl plus 8, and right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a circle over here and make it zoom, sorry, okay, make zoom this portion. Okay, just draw a circle, sorry, and make it unzoom. Select the plane, select this plane, make sketch, zoom this portion, draw a circle, assign the dimension of the circle. This is 6, make it 10, or make it let's suppose at, okay, again zoom out. Okay, right now actually what I am going to use is, actually I'm going to use the sweep command, sweep boss base command. The sketch is already selected, and just I'm going to select the path right now. Okay, okay, so this is something what you can make. And okay, this is something spring type I have made it right now. I'm going to hide the plane, and right now you can color it, just by clicking on it, and or right now just come into appearance and scene, sorry, open, and this is something like metals and metals. It is made of what? Polished bronze. Let me show it is brass. Okay, so just double click on that and check here. Okay, so this is what you can make a spring. And inshallah, don't skip once you subscribe this channel, so please go inside and in the descriptions. Okay, I will insert the previous videos link, so you can see that. So don't skip the video and watch it up to end. A lot of things I have uploaded all the videos of AutoCAD. I will give the link to you people, so you can watch all of them one by one. So don't skip the video, watch it up to end. And again, I request you, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, so that to get the upcoming videos notification to you people. So just my purpose is to build your concept, and once your concept is built it up, so after that you can do each and everything by yourself. So wish you all the best, and thanks for watching. In coming video I will try to do something extra. Thanks for watching.